This is GravGrip, the world's first hydraulic stabilizer for your smartphone and action camera. Hi, I'm Kevin, a board sport enthusiast, product designer, and die-hard entrepreneur. I've spent the better part of 3 years developing GravGrip. GravGrip is a pocket-sized, battery-free, waterproof, no-fuss stabilizer designed to be ready any place, anytime. From handmade prototypes to bulky prototypes to many 3D printed prototypes, I'm happy to say GravGrip has become the product I first visioned over 5 years ago. GravGrip operates using its patent-pending hydraulic stabilization system, the first of its kind. Hydraulics, similar to those of a car glove box, are applied to GravGrip's main axis. Fine-tune GravGrip's rotation speed to your liking and easily level your camera's horizon. Let's bring your footage to the next level. Mount your camera in the tilt position to capture those epic ultra-low and high shots, or the roll position to keep a steady horizon. The choice is yours. GravGrip is more than a stabilizer. GravGrip's a tool to capture those angles you've never dreamt possible. A tool to spark creativity in your videos, and a product by your side, always ready for the action. Get ready to explore your world with GravGrip and back us today.